Installing an E3.S drive. Align the E3.S drive so that the connector is on the right side and place the E3.S drive into the E3.S drive cage. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the E3.S drive to the E3.S drive cage. If the gap pads on the conduction plate are damaged, replace them. Hold the conduction plate and insert the conduction plate into the E3.S drive cage. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the conduction plate to the E3.S drive cage. Replace the putty pad on the conduction plate. Install the E3.S drive into the E3.S drive cage. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the drive. Align the backplane with the screw hole on the E3.S drive cage, and then insert the backplane into the E3.S drive cage. Fasten the screw to secure the backplane to the E3.S drive cage. Fasten the screw to install the cable tie into the E3.S drive cage. Bundle the cables on the E3.S drive cable-ended backplane with the cable tie. Install the E3.S drive assembly into the node and secure with 3 screws. Connect the drive cage assembly cable to the system board. Note: the drive cable should be above the OS/FP cable. Connect the M.2 backplane cable to the system board. Install the cross braces. Install the tray cover.